There we go. We're recording. No, I'm recording you. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Ava.
Ava what?
Ava Jessie.
What's your middle name?
Ava.
What's your middle name?
Ava Jessie.
Don't you have a middle name like it starts with a K? Some Lonnie, Kalani?
Yeah, Kaylani.
Kaylani, that's right. How old are you?
3.
3, huh?
When's your birthday?
April.
April what?
April 13.
Yeah.
Oh. Can you show me a dance move that you did earlier? Just show me a couple, okay, before you go to bed. Okay. Let's look at the feet. Show me another one. All right.
You want to take a picture of me dancing?
I am. Keep dancing.
Move your hands. Can you do the Cabbage Patch?
How about this one?
Oh. Oh, the pillow's gonna help?
You can do it, Ava. Let me see.
Ooh.
Oh, and you're on your big toe, too.
Do you want to take a picture of me doing this?
Yeah, I am.
Pretty good.
That's a good job, Ava. Wow.
I'm going to put the pillow here for my feet. So my feet.
Can you do a sit-up? Oh, let's see your push-ups.
Ooh, you know how to do a push-up?
Show Michelle your push-ups.
No.
No, silly. Look at her baby crack.
I see you butt crack.
Do a push-up, Ava. Remember how Daddy showed you?
Like what?
Show her.
Do a push-up. Please. Hold it.
Freeze!
Mama, look.
I see. That's a good job.
Green light. I said green light.
Ava. Ava.
What?
Stand up.
Show me a push-up, Ava.
Red light.
Green light.
Red light.
I'm gonna pinch your bum.
Do you know how to do a sit-up? That's not a sit-up. You want me to hold your legs?
Yeah.
Okay. Here. You hold your legs. Okay, lay down. Okay, sit up. Come on. Come on. Sit up. Here. Okay. I see the booger. Sit up. Come on, Ava. Look at me. Come on. Sit up. Ew, you are farting.
Mom, please help me.
No, I'm not helping you.
She smells.
Oh, wait, don't
It's
do
been
You've been smelling it the whole time.
yes, every time she's been near me.
Alright, go upstairs. Come here.
Ouch.
Come here.
What?
No, what? Just come here.
Oh, you have to that way show me. Will you hold my leg?
Oh, you're disgusting.
And
It's
show me
stuck
how
on my
to do.
finger.
Well, go put it on a... Ew! Go put it on a napkin!
Mommy, will you show me how to do a push-up?
There, it's gone.
Mommy, will you hold on to my legs and let me do a
No,
push-up?
your butt stinks.
Let me see.
give her one in the morning.
All
Good
right.
job.
Do a push up. A push up. Do a push up. All right. Did your
Mom,
mom?
what's this?
You can't use your elbows. You can't even use your arms.
You would fail the PT test.
Do you want me to do all?
Huh?
Me to do where a whole way over your chair and then I can go over?
A whoa way?
Oh, whoa, way.
What's a whoa way?
Mommy, a wall.
A whoa?
No, a further. A whole. A further.
Is that gibber? Did you hear?
A whoa whoa whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Come here, Ava, and tell me what you were trying to say.
Okay, Ava, give me a hug goodnight.
Wait, let me play a little tiny game.
No. It's time to go to bed. Give Michelle a hug and say goodnight.
Please, will you let me play a little game, Mom?
No, ma'am.
Give me a hug. Say goodnight, Michelle.
Good night.